Yo, what's up, guys? So I thought I would share this with you just for fun, so nothing like extravagant, but unboxing a case for the Pixel 4a. So I wanted to see how well companies are getting their cases for the Pixel 4a as far as like cutouts and stuff like that, even though I don't have the device in hand to put into the case. Now, this is actually going to be a pretty nice case because my lady picked it out. And the reason she picked it out is because the Pixel 4a is actually her phone. She had the Pixel 3a and absolutely loved it. So let's see if I can... Honey, I'm going to need your help. Pop that little zip thing up on the top so I can get the case out. No. It's like a Ziploc bag. There you go. There you go. Thank you, hon. All right, so there it is, and you guys can see it through the clear opening. I'm not going to take the styrofoam out so it doesn't lose its shape. But let's see. And obviously, you can tell that this is for the Pixel 4a because it has a fingerprint cutout. If this was for the Pixel 4, there would be no need to have that. She loves these glitter cases. This is actually pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of like cold weather, because you know the blue meets the purple, so the iridescent gradient color. And just by holding this in my hand tells me how small the Pixel 4a is going to be. Hold on, let me grab my Pixel 3a. The Pixel 3a that was hers is now mine. So let's see. So that's the Pixel 3a. Oh, I guess it's rough. No, let's see. Nope, it's actually smaller. Slightly smaller. So, slightly smaller. But yeah, this is her case. So now we just have to wait for the phone to ship out on, like I said, the 17th is when they're going to ship out pre-orders. So, let's see. Cutout at the bottom. It's nice. Cutout for the headphone jack on the top. That's cool. That's dope. I like that. I was like messing with this, like a lava lamp thing. But they're all bunched up on the top here. Let me see if I can loosen them. There we go. Break apart. It's like a game. Anyways, yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. I know. So yeah, there are cases for the ladies out there for the Pixel 4a. And yeah. Oh, by the way, before I end this, you know, if you live like in a state that's pretty hot, like, you know, like I live in Arizona, these cases actually come in handy because if you're going to be out and about and you don't want your device to overheat, you can actually chill this. Like you can stick this in the freezer and like the liquid inside will cool and you can pop your phone in, and when you're out and about, I mean, it's not going to last very long, but it will kind of help keep your phone's temperature cooled down. And then, of course, if you are in a place that's warm and then you transfer into a place that's cold with good AC, the surrounding conditions will cool the liquid quickly, which would help cool down the phone. So I just kind of wanted to point that out. Anyways, yeah, just, you know, little case unboxing for the Pixel 4a, but I don't have the device in hand to put in there. So when I do the review or when I do the unboxing, I'll snap this case on it so the ladies can see what it'll look like. But that's pretty much it. So just a kind of throwaway video. But all right, guys. Talk to y'all later. Aloha.